Hello, my lovely parents. Up for another update on how Yash is progressing. So, we have almost done a year and a half of lifestyle changes and almost a year on with the supplements and things like that. So, all this while, what we used to do is the moment the 3 month gets over, we would again do the blood work and then start his plan. But this time, we plan to take a 2 months break to see that how it works when we do a blood work after 2 months without any supplement, but still the lifestyle changes are all in its place. So in this 2 months, we were thinking whether certain things will come back, would we regress or anything like that, but nothing of that sort has happened. In fact, he has progressed, he's been progressing, and he's been progressing amazingly. One important thing that happened in November, end of November, beginning of December, is that first time in his life he went for a 3 day trip to Pondicherry, which was done from his school. And for the first time, the teachers also did not come back and ask, is it okay to take him or can we take him and things like that, because all this while, all these years, even for a 2 hour or 3 hour trip, they would tell him to just keep your son at home. And it has broken my heart so many times, because the next day when he goes to school and the school kids are talking about their experience, and he'll be like, Mama, why didn't you send me? And I had no heart to tell him that the school didn't want. This was the first time he went on a school trip for 3 days all by himself, and he did amazingly well with zero complaints from the teachers. So what an amazing progress and what an amazing journey, is something that he will carry, he'll tell his kids, I think, that was his first trip that he did by himself. Especially the Jan of 2024, now he's become more serious with his studies. Before this, it was so challenging to make him, if an assignment was given, I had to follow for his assignment, or break my head telling Yash, please do it and things like that. But Jan 2024 onwards, again I see a shift in my son, and I don't know if it is his teenage or what has kicked in. He's become so much more mature. He's doing his homework, no follow-up from me. He's becoming superb independent, and his emotional well-being also has improved like anything. So yeah, on the whole, it's been an amazing progress with Yash in so many aspects. So many, for us it is little things, but when we add up, we feel that he is doing amazingly well, and functional medicine has been the right approach for this kid. So I have many parents ringing me up after the 3 months program and asking me whether to continue. They're not been able to see the kind of progress that they wanted to see and things like that. So my only say is, whatever it is, even if you've seen a minute change, you have seen a change. There are other approaches out there which have not even promised that. So if you've seen a minute change, you need to continue. That's the right way to go. Yes, it is expensive. It is expensive because the demand for this kind of approach is very less right now. The more parents join in and more of us create a demand for it, maybe the cost of the medication, the cost of everything will come down. But right now it is not what it is. So hang in there. 3 months, 6 months is not enough to flush out the toxicity that is in a kid's body. So my advice and my suggestion is, at least try it for 6 to 1 year to see, to see that amount of change, and go from there. But don't give up. That's what I would like to say.